I used to do those faceless illustrations for a little bit right after I had broken. It was just kind of a fun pastime. I looked up a bunch of videos on YouTube on how to do them, and I use the Adobe Draw Illustrator app, which is free and really easy to use, and they turned out a lot better than I thought they would. So I took this picture from my recent YouTube thumbnail and turned it into this. I just used an old iPad that Micah had. It's probably about 5 years old, so you don't need anything fancy to do this on. But the only problem is the iPad does screen record, so I screen recorded myself drawing the entire thing. When I got to the end, only like 12.5 minutes of it had recorded, like it just cut. Because if it was a screen recording, you can see when you start it and when you stop it. So I stopped it and so it saved, and then I went and I worked on it for like 20 or 30 minutes. And I go into my pictures and it just said 12 minutes and I was like, oh no, I knew something was wrong. It made it about halfway through and then it just like goes white and cuts out. So 12 minutes is a pretty decent explanation. Like you can see everything I'm doing. You just won't get to see the entire drawing go from like 0 to all the way completed. I think you guys will be able to get the idea and recreate it yourself. Be sure to thumbs up the video. It lets me know you like what I'm doing and it helps my channel a lot. And also subscribing helps my channel so much, and hit the little notification bell. This is when I realized that the screen recording had cut. I had not added a background to my picture yet, so I'm going to show how I do that here. I'll show here how I go on Pinterest, and I usually just search like aesthetic background. And you want to make sure you download the image because it makes it higher quality. So I'm looking for an image that will work. I click on it, hit the three dots, and then hit download image. So hold down on it, hit save image, and then I deleted that layer. I'll make a new layer from image. And so you would do like an image layer, not a draw layer. So that is how I turned this into this. I didn't think I'd be able to do it, but it's really just tracing. You make your picture the background, you trace over it. I've tried to do a dog before, it turned out really bad. Definitely not an artist by any means. If anyone has any questions, you can put them in the comments below. I'm really good about responding, and I just love when you guys leave comments anyways. It's fun for me to respond to them, and I can answer those. Bye guys.